What's up? I'm Mike with woodshopmike.com, and today I'm going to show you how we restored our southern front porch. Now, this place was so bad when we first moved in that the UPS guy said, "Whoa, I didn't know anyone lived here." Now, that is not the feeling that you want. So follow along as we reclaim this space and make it great. To start off with, I cleaned the siding of the house, and the product that I used is called Wet and Forget. Now, this is usually meant to be exposed to rainwater to wash away the dirt and grime. Since we don't get too much of that underneath the covered porch, I just let it set for 15 minutes, then scrub it with a soft bristle brush and rinse away all the grime. To prep all the surfaces for new paint, I used an abrasive wheel and an angle grinder. That made really quick work of removing all of that chipped off paint. For the areas where the paint was still intact, I used phosphate-free TSP in a low-pressure sprayer. I just sprayed it on, gently scrubbed it off with a soft bristle brush, and then again rinsed to wash away all the grime. To start preparing the deck for new stain, we used Behr's wood stain and finish stripper to remove the existing finish. Now, what I didn't show is that you let it set for about 45 minutes and then scrub it with a deck brush. After that, hose it off or use a pressure washer to remove all the sludge. The next step is to use Behr's wood conditioner. Now, what this does is it neutralizes any of the residual chemicals from the finish stripper, and it also helps to condition the wood so that it'll accept new stain more readily. Now, the final step to prep all these surfaces for new paint is to caulk all the big gaps. To paint the rails and trim, we first primed with PPG's Gripper Primer so that way we could paint over our oil-based paint. For the top coat, we used PPG Timeless exterior paint, and it's turned out perfect. It is now time, after 3 years of living here, to say goodbye to those old nasty fans. These things were rusted, and when you turned them on, you could just literally hear them grinding as the fan would turn. The new fans that we decided to go with are by Hunter, and it's the Mill Valley series. We really like this fan. It's the same one that we used on our back porch, and they move a ton of air. Not to mention, they also look cool. Just a quick little aside, another thing that I really dig about these fans is that they are very easy to install. Alright, we have a working fan and lights. Now, another feature that we really wanted to add to our front porch was outdoor lighting on either side of the front door. So, to do that with a vinyl sided house, we first have to add some mounting blocks. And you can see the process is pretty simple. Now, I'm not going to go into all of the details regarding the electrical work here, but in essence, what we did was we tapped into one of the ceiling fans to provide power for our outdoor lights. Big disclaimer here, if you are not comfortable with doing your own electrical work, hire someone to do it and don't get electrocuted. To stain our front porch, we went with PPG Timeless Exterior Transparent Stain in Oxford Brown. Now, what I like about this stain is that it's easy to apply, it has a great warranty, and it dries very quickly. We didn't show this process in the video, but we took the shutters off of the house and we painted them separately. And for these we used Behr Premium Plus Semi-Gloss, and the color is Carbon. Now this is the part of the project that we were honestly the most excited about. My wife had always wanted a 3/4 light door to go on this house, and the original door just was not in great shape. So here we go. Our new door we also painted beforehand. We used Behr Premium Plus in the satin sheen, and the color is River Rock. To install our new door, we simply lift it into place and then follow the manufacturer's instructions to secure it to the door frame. All right, well that's going to wrap us up for the day. I hope you enjoyed the project, and hey, thanks for watching. Now a special thank you goes to Home Depot for partnering with us for this project. And if you have any questions about the steps that we took during this restoration, please feel free to ask in the comments below. Ah, you're still there. Awesome. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, I got another one queued up for you right here. And if you want other awesome content from me, check out those. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like and subscribe. And until next time, have fun making something.